3 fag 2 food week dog 12 spliff a roll for the day when me feel calm. But if me no feel calm, do the maths real fast. Vibes kitchen at the place where me speak on. Cook give me on any boy. Me can't get the right food no matter how me try. Vibes have the recipe, everything me like. A mad thing when Stella make the fire light. Me pocket fully charged, touch the road our time. Lace up me clocks, food fast, brain paranoid. The YouTube channel active.
What's up y'all? Welcome back to the channel. For this video, I'm going to be making some stew turkey neck, also called Ghetto Oxtail or the poor man's oxtail. Before we get into the video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Alright, so usually when we buy the turkey neck, it's already cut into pieces. However, I didn't get lucky this time, so I have to do it myself, which is fine. I tell you though, I've never seen turkey neck so small. It's usually on the bigger side, but it's okay. Alright y'all, there it is. Now I'm going to transfer these to a bowl so I can wash them, then I can start seasoning. Okay y'all, so to season I added some blended natural seasonings. First is scallion, thyme, garlic, onion, bell pepper, and some Jamaican Scotch bonnet pepper. Okay, next I'm going to add some Grace all-purpose seasoning, some Goya adobo all-purpose seasoning, I'm just going to add some Grace oxtail seasoning. It has great flavor. Some Grace chicken seasoning, and then the key seasoning, the Maggi chicken seasoning. And finally, I'm going to add in some Grace browning, and then we're just going to combine. Right, and I'm just going to let this sit in the refrigerator overnight. First thing I'm going to do to start cooking the turkey neck, I sprayed the Instant Pot with some palm spray, and I'm going to saute these for maybe about 5 minutes. Alright y'all, so I'm going to pressure the turkey neck for about 15 minutes at this point, and I only cooked it in the Instant Pot on the saute option for maybe about 10 minutes. So now I'm going to pressure it for 15 minutes. Alright, so after 15 minutes, as you can see, it's really soft. So now I'm going to finish cooking the turkey neck. Alright, so I'm going to add the turkey neck to the pot and just cover it and allow it to cook. So I'm going to add a little Maggi seasoning. Then I'm going to add some more water with some thyme, scallion, onion, garlic, bell pepper, and Scotch bonnet pepper. Alright, now I'm just going to cover this and allow it to come back to a boil, and once it does, then I'll add some more stuff to the pot. Alright, so I'm going to add some Grace fish and meat sauce, just a touch, because it's a little tangy. I'm going to add some ketchup, and I'm going to add a little Capital City Mambo sauce. Kind of taste, it's a barbecue sauce, really. Has a little sweet taste, so you don't want to add too much. And that mambo sauce is optional. I just add it because I like the taste. And from here, just cover and allow it. Ensure you taste and add more seasoning as needed. I'm going to add some more browning just to give it a little bit more color. Okay, so final step is to add some butter beans. And like I said before, this brand, not a big fan, so I would use this one as a last resort if you absolutely cannot find anything else. Because look at the bottom of the can. Don't like this one at all.
Kitchen are the place where me there now. We get the nicest food when the fire out. The pepper hot, God know what a bread